Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a beginner-friendly unicorn design. Using a round brush loaded with silver paint, I'm going to create the horn in the center of my forehead. Now pink for the inside of each unicorn ear. Now I'm going to load a sponge with that same silver paint and use it for eyeshadow. Reload my round brush with white and create the white outlining around the pink for the unicorn ears. Load some lavender paint for the unicorn's mane, starting with the tuft of hair between the ears. And the rest of the mane on the outer ears that comes down and over the cheeks. A few teardrops on the outer corners of each eye. Now loading black to outline the horn and add the detail lines. Outline the tuft of hair between the ears. Outline the rest of the mane and add some hair strokes. A shadow line only at the tips of the ears between the pink and white. An outline to the outer portion of each ear. Highlights to the horn, the center tuft of hair, and the mane. Highlight on the eyes. And add starbursts and dots to my forehead and cheeks. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.